and welcome back to the channel. So right now it might look different for you because you're just seeing my face, nothing really else, and this cube. Now you might see the cube. And we're still doing a tutorial today, but we're doing a tutorial on how to solve the first layer, which is that of a Rubik's Cube. And this is going to be a 3-part video where there's going to be 3 different parts for each different layer. So let's get to it. So the first things you want to know are centerpieces. If you find the centerpiece and you see what color it is, that means that full side is that color. So, that is because if you do anything, I'm doing all this random stuff, it's still there. That means it is that side. Same thing like with this. Still there. So that's why. And then we also have edge pieces, which are pieces like this, with 2 colors. Which we could pop up right there. Edge piece. And then we have corner pieces, which are like that, with 3 colors. So that is it for right now, but then you are going to need to know the notation. So, in your point of view, the opposite for mine, it's going to be R prime, R, L prime, L prime, L. And then we have F, which is this. Prime just means spin it the opposite way, like counterclockwise. And just with no prime, then you're saying clockwise. And then so we have right, left, front, back. The middle is nothing. Up and down. So that is the notation. Now let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is solve the white cross. And for this, we need to solve all the white edge pieces. I'm just scrambling it up so there's kind of no answer for it. Okay. Now let's find the edge piece. We have one right here. So what we're going to do is bring this edge piece to the bottom of the cube, the bottom layer. And what is its other color? It is orange. Now, when I had told you that the centerpiece shows what side it is on, you're going to spin that edge piece to whatever color or side it is on. Now here, it's at the orange. Now what we're also going to do is spin that 180 degrees. And look at this pattern we have. White, orange, white, orange. For this, we're going to do a specific algorithm, which goes like this. F prime, U, L prime, U prime. And look at what happened. We just swapped places with these 2. Now it's white, white, and orange, orange. So we're going to do the same thing with the other edge pieces. Here we have found another one. Bring it to the bottom. Find its corresponding side, which is right there. Flip it 180 degrees, and we have the same pattern. white, green, white, green. So let's do the same algorithm. F prime, U, L prime, U prime. And the same thing happened. And they're both aligned. Like that, and that. So let's find another one, which is going to be right here. Bring it to the bottom. Find its corresponding color, blue. Find its corresponding side. And just flip it 180 degrees. And then you'll find the pattern again. So do the same algorithm, which is going to be F prime, U, L prime, U prime. Or, there we go. And it is aligned. The green, and then we have the blue, and then we have the orange. Now we just have to do this last edge piece, which is right here. Now we found it. It is already on the bottom. And we just have to flip it 180 degrees. Well, we have the same pattern. Now let's do the same algorithm. And voila, that matches. And if you have this extra corner, just bring it to this other side, like flip it to any other side, and then put it out, and then bring that same side you just did it to back. So it makes that white cross. So now we're done with the first part. Now we have to do the corners. It's the same concept. Put it in its right spot. So let's find a white corner. We have one right here. It's for the blue side and the red side. So we have to bring it there. It's going to be over here somewhere. And we could bring that back. And this is now here. So the white is on the bottom. If white is on the bottom, then do this specific algorithm. We're going to do R prime, and don't look at me from this way. I'm just doing it on my point of view. And then it's going to be on the back, 2D, R, D. Now it should be on the right side for you. Then do R prime, D prime, R. And it is oriented correctly. Put into the right spot. Now let's find another one. Here it's green and red. So find the green and red side. It's all the way over here. And then here it's facing us. So if it's facing us, we are going to want to do this algorithm. We are going to want to do right here, D, or not D, R prime, 2D, R, D. So now it's on the bottom again. And then what we want to do is R prime, 2D, R, D. And now it's on the right again. And do that same algorithm we did before. R prime, D prime, R, and that is done. So now let's do it with the other ones. Here we have green and orange. So it's going to go right here. It's facing us. Bring it to the bottom. And then we are going to do that same algorithm. And that one is done. And where's our last corner piece? There it is. Bring it here. It is. Are all of them oriented correctly? This one isn't. Oh. So we're going to have to move that one out of the way. So we technically have two right now. Orange and green. That should be going onto this corner right here. Because orange is here, green is there. So it is on the right. So we just have to do that simple algorithm. Now let's find... Okay, it's over here. So we're going to spin it to where it should be. And then it's facing us. So we're going to do that older algorithm. Now it's onto the right. And done. We have solved all four corners. We have solved the cross. We have solved all four corners. And this first layer right here. And it's because we oriented the corners correctly into their right spots. I kept on failing to do this because I wasn't putting the corners in the right spot. I thought they could go anywhere, but they have to be with their corresponding side. And that is it for today's video. So this is what we have done. Solve this first layer. And this is how you would regularly solve a cube, because you would solve it in these three different parts. So that is today's video, and bye. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos, or tutorials I should say. And I'm gonna do gaming soon. I just did this in 1 minute and 42 seconds, as you can see right there. And it's my fastest time, so I'm really, really slow. But, yeah. I think I said this. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos. So there's iOS development going on this channel. I'm going to do part 2 and 3, so stay tuned for that. And gaming is about to start. Bye.